What is battered woman syndrome? According to RA 9262, acknowledges that women who have retaliated against their partner or who commit violence as a form of self-defense may have suffered from battered woman syndrome (BWS). Any victim who suffers from BWS should be diagnosed by a psychiatric expert or a clinical psychologist.
Asan sa mga babae, mabilis man maghilom ang pisikal na sugat na dulot nito, pero nag-iiwan naman ito ng mas matinding sugat.
Explanation by Michael B. Madumba.
What is battered woman syndrome? Ang battered woman syndrome, bago siya matawag, meron siyang pagdadaanan na tatlong cycle. Una, tension in the building. Pangalawa, yun yung acute battery incident. Pangatlo, yun yung triangle of loving phase. Okay? Umpisahan natin sa tension of the building. Tension of the building, ito yung sinampal mo, minura mo, ayan. Tapos nagkapatawaran kayo. Sa pangalawa, acute battery incident. Yung acute battery incident na yan yung binugbog mo na halos mamatay na yung babae. Yan yung nagkapatawaran na naman kayo dyan, di ba? Nagkapasapasa na yung babae. Tapos nagkapatawaran kayo, pumunta kayo ng barangay. Yan. Yan yung pangalawang cycle. Sa pangatlong cycle, ito yung malupit, yung triangle or loving phase, di ba? Ito yung nagkapatawaran kayo, tapos inulit-ulit, di ba? Mahal mo nga siya, ayaw mo siyang makulong eh. Kaso nga lang, inulit niya ulit. Yan. Yan yung tinatawag na battered woman syndrome. Ngayon, ang nangyari dyan, senaryo, habang natutulog yung lalaki, di ba? Sinaksak niya intentionally. Nagdilim yung kanyang paningin. Ibig sabihin, pagka nalaman nila na dumaan pala sa battered woman syndrome yung babae, what we call exempted siya. May exempt siya rito. Diba?
Section 26, Battered Woman Syndrome as a Defense. Victim survivors who are found by the courts to be suffering from battered woman syndrome do not incur any criminal and civil liability, notwithstanding the absence of any of the elements for justifying circumstances of self-defense under the revised penal code.